Today, you will learn how to use Zebra device for making manufacturing order. You will go to shop floor module. Then I will have my PTC on my hand. I will scan the barcode of the PTC. You will have the first operation as you see here. When you need to start, you will have all the operation as a barcode. You will just scan it. Start. System will open the design or work instruction as you see. Once you finish checking your work instruction or the design, you will close. System will start counting. After you finish or you want to pause the system detection of the time, you will scan again the continue or start barcode. If you finish totally, you will make on mark as done. This operation will disappear. You will go back to all MO inside this operation. You will find the next operation is pending. You will click on it, on the icon of the blue one. You will having the operation of drilling 6 holes. You will just click scan the barcode of starting. Same as the first one. If you have design work instruction, you will find it is opening. After you finish totally, click next. There is another one, click next. There is another one. All after they finish, it will be marked like this down as you see. Then you will scan start again or stop. System will stop counting. Then if after you finish this operation totally, you will scan the mark as done. So this operation is done. Then return back to all MO. As you see, you have CNC lathe. You will click on it. Same as like we have done in the 2 first operations. Scan the barcode of starting. System will start counting and open for you the designs or work instructions applied in this operation. Just after you finish checking it, click on next button and then click after you finish the operation. You finish, you will scan mark as done. Operation will disappear from the screen. Then return back and same progress. You will find the other one is running. Start. System will start counting as you see here. If I need to pause, I can make again scanning for the same barcode. And after we finish, we will scan the mark as done until we finish all the process we have in this PTC. You will go to the second operation until we finish all the operation steps. System will start counting for this operation. When I finish, I will mark as done. Get back to all MO. Start. Once I finish, scan the mark as done. Get back to all MO. Screen inspection. After you finish it totally, until you finish all the process of the operation. We are doing the same scenario. Heating torch. Start. System starting. Once I finish, I scan mark as done until I finish all the process I have here. Get back to your all operation. same as like we have did in the past operations until we finish all the process of the manufacturing. Then our supervisor will be able to deliver the finished product to the warehouse. If I need to make any connection with my supervisor, I will get back by clicking back. You have discuss module, click on it, click on chat. You have your supervisor here. You can contact him by chatting, as you see, or even by calling him by call, or even you can open video chat with him. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.